New Nokia Google TV from StreamView comes in 4 sizes, 12 volts power supply. In October, 5 upcoming Nokia branded smart TVs were spotted on Bluetooth SIG. 2 months later, these televisions are now official. For the unaware, there are multiple Nokia brand licensees for televisions. These new products are from StreamView GmbH, an Austrian company that operates in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, AMEA. The new Nokia TVs arrive in multiple sizes and 2 different screen resolutions. Let's check out their features. StreamView's first Nokia Google TV models are here. The latest televisions from StreamView are collectively called Nokia Google TV. As their name suggests, they ship with the Google TV software based on Android 12 for TV. The company's previous TVs lacked the fresh software from Google. All the new models are powered by the same chipset. This unnamed silicon includes a quad-core CPU comprising ARM Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.45 GHz and Mali G31 megapixels 2 GPU. The aforementioned chip is further paired with 1.5 GB RAM and 8 GB storage. This hardware combo is entry-level, and therefore, the TVs may get slower down the line. As mentioned earlier, the televisions come in multiple sizes. Customers can choose from either 24-inch, 32-inch, 40-inch, or 43-inch. The 24-inch and 32-inch variants come with HD resolution, 1366 by 768 pixels, and can be operated at 12 volts. Thus, they can be used in mobile homes, camps, and other places with lower power supply. On the other hand, 40-inch and 43-inch versions offer FHD resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. A second 32-inch variant is also offered in this flavor. Unsurprisingly, the televisions support all the leading streaming services, Google Chromecast built-in, and Google Assistant via voice-enabled remote control. Wireless connectivity options include both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They come with various ports, such as 3x HDMI 1.4, 2x USB 2.0, 1xS, PDIF, AV-in, triple tuner, and Ethernet. Lastly, they are also SAT-CR compliant, SCD, and support CI+. StreamView is yet to announce the pricing and availability of these TVs, which may vary across markets.